Hi and welcome to today's video. We are going to be looking today into 5 simple online business ideas that you can start today and grow in 2023. Okay, now I'm going to break this down into 5 separate videos with more detail as we go on. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I'm going to briefly go through all 5 of them in this video and show you exactly some of these simple online business ideas that you can start today. So let's get into it right away. Now, before we do start, remember these are proper businesses. They're not get-rich-quick schemes. They're not sites where you can go and earn a couple of cents here by taking surveys, that sort of thing. These are proper business models. So there are going to be certain things you're going to need to do. Obviously, with any business, you're going to need to learn about the business. You're going to need to follow other people and find other people who are doing it correctly and obviously follow them. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything with each individual business. I'm going to go through it very briefly today, and like I say, I'm going to do an individual video on each one over the next few weeks leading up to the end of the year. Without further ado, let's jump into the first business model, and that is become a blogger. Okay, now what I mean by becoming a blogger obviously is you actually create your own blog. I would definitely recommend that you get sort of like a WordPress blog, self-host it. So in other words, you pay for a little bit of hosting. Like I say, these are business ideas. You're going to have to invest a little bit to get an awful lot back. Now with blogging, that you can easily scale a blog if it's done correctly. You can scale it to a multi-$1,000 business, okay? And there's easy ways to do it. Now, there are sites out there where you can actually go and get training, and obviously you're going to need things like hosting and plugins, etc., that you may want to add to your business. Now, all of these, I'm going to leave some links in the description below here where you can go and obviously find all these tools that will help you obviously get started. Some of them will be free, some of them there will be paid versions as well, which would help you even further. So again, if you wanted to start slowly, build up your income, or if you wanted to go for it, then obviously you can put more money into it into the beginning. Certainly recommend a site called Wealthy Affiliate. That's where I started my blogs. I do earn money from them, but I'm not concentrating solely on blogging. I'm earning my money through other methods, and 2 or 3 of those are going to be in this list as well. So as I say, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end for all 5 on this list. Okay, so the second one on my list is going to be a website designer stroke builder. Now, I know that could frighten some people. They go, whoa, I don't know how to be a website designer or coder or whatever. It is so simple these days, guys. It really is. When you've got the right tools and the right, obviously, learning capacity, then you can actually build a website. Very, very simple, very easy. I build all my own websites now, and I used to obviously build them for other people as well. I would recommend building all my websites on WordPress because it's a lot easier. And with something like Thrive Suite, which is what I use, we get an array of plugins for all various different things. You've got page builders, you've got lead generation plugins, you've got obviously things like membership sites, you've got courses, online courses. So you could build a website for anybody. Very, very simple, very easily with tools just like that. And they only cost you a few bucks per month. So if you are actually building for other people, then you could quite easily scale this into a full-time business. But when you're getting the backup of a great company like Thrive Themes behind you, so if you've got any questions, they've got a full university that you can go through. So if you've got any issues, any problems, you can obviously just go into their Thrive University. Plus, they've got Facebook pages, that sort of thing, and their own online support as well. So everything is there for you. So you've got a business that is backed by another company that you can then obviously start and scale to, like I say, a full-time income. It is really, really easy to do. And there are people obviously out there looking for websites. So many companies these days don't even have a website. So definitely check out the website creator and designer, builder, etc. As a second option, build into an online business in 2023. The third online business idea is e-commerce. Now, there are various platforms. You've got eBay, you've got Amazon, you've got Etsy, you've got Shopify, all those platforms that you can actually tap into and obviously sell products. Okay, now these could be products that you actually make yourself. I've done videos before about how you can go and actually create digital products that you could sell on Etsy and things like that. And I'll put a link above here for some of those videos that you can actually go and check out. Yeah, I say there is a massive marketplace out there. Amazon and eBay still work. Okay, now I've done both of those. I've been a power seller on eBay, and I've actually done like a drop shipping with Amazon, where I've actually shipped the product into America and then they've sent it out. So I've never even seen the product. I don't handle it or anything like that. Everything gets done for you. So Amazon is a really good way of starting a business today and then growing it as you go. And again, you want to check out some of the courses as well that you can actually get on these, which will obviously make your business go even quicker. Okay, it's better to learn from people that have already done things than to obviously try and muddle through and actually build your business yourself, because it can take years that way. So I would always remember to check out some of the courses. I'll put some of them in the description below here. To your business, you could scale your business much quicker. So we're down to the last two. These are probably the two that I use most in my business now. So let's crack on and show you. Okay, now this next business, you could automate with everything. With the three items I've already given you, you could add this as another income stream within those business models, okay? And this is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is obviously when you go and actually promote other people's products. So you don't in theory need a website, you don't in theory need a blog, but you could obviously create your blog, and you could obviously do articles, build your blog, and use affiliate marketing to actually get a revenue stream through your blog. Now this could be in any niche, remember, as well. You could obviously I promote products in the make money online niche, because that's the niche I'm in. But if you were into dog training, if you were into crocheting, if you're into crafts, anything like that, you could obviously then go and grab products and services that you could obviously then promote. And again, you could use things like Amazon. Amazon Associates is an affiliate product. So you could then obviously drop links everywhere about certain products, do reviews, that sort of thing. And when you actually make a sale, you'll get paid a commission. Now, obviously with Amazon, it's only small commissions, but obviously with other people, it can be up to 60, 70, even 100% commissions. So again, affiliate marketing is a great way to start. Now, if you wanted to start and learn affiliate marketing, a great place to actually go is a place called OLSP System, which actually gives you full training for free about affiliate marketing. They do offer obviously other products and upsells and all that sort of thing as well. And if you wanted to scale your business much quicker, like I say, you can take those on. But if you were just starting out and you're a limited budget, this is a great one to actually start, because you can start earning money today and also start building your business for free. Check out some of those resources I've just mentioned in the description below here. But now it's time for my number one way at the moment that's creating me an income. This last one I want to talk about is become a YouTuber. Now, obviously, again, people then, whoa, don't want to be on camera. You don't have to be on camera. There are various ways that you can obviously make money through YouTube. And again, you could add affiliate links to descriptions, which is what I do. And it works very, very well. So it's a very good and simple way to obviously start an online business and obviously scale it. Now again, YouTube is not going to happen overnight. You're not going to put one YouTube video up and it's going to explode and you're going to make thousands of dollars. Doesn't work like that. Again, there's a process to go through. Okay, now I have got a resource, a free resource from a guy called Matt Parr. He is my mentor on YouTube, and I obviously have bought obviously his courses, that sort of thing, and I have obviously scaled my business over the last year. Give you a link to the free webinar it actually does, and the free webinar shows you how you can actually start a faceless channel. So in other words, a channel that you don't have to be on camera. It gives you pointers, that sort of thing, to get you started. And of course, if you wanted to take his full course, which I fully recommend, just upgraded the course to a 3.0, where it's bang up to date, so you can obviously pick up all the tips and tricks. And remember, Matt actually earns over $100,000 every single month through his YouTube business. Much easier, much quicker to learn from someone who's already been there and done that. Okay, so just remember that when you're starting any online business, if you can get someone to follow or to mentor you, you're going to be able to grow your business much quicker. Okay, so I hope you found those useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. If you've got any questions about any of them, drop them in the comments below. So don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.